How to set alerts on Binance US. So the steps are so simple to follow. After you open up the Binance app like this now, go to market. So from the market like this now, go and search for the pairs you want to add. So for me, let's say I want to use this one, XRP. So after you select the pairs you want to set the alert for them, so tap on this alert at the bottom. Here is alert, this one. After you select the alert, there is different option. Now you can go ahead and choose the one that suits your needs. For me, I will go with this one, price reaches. After you select the one, from this option now, tap price type. So go ahead and choose the price type that you want. There is the market price, index, and last price. For me, I'll go with this market price. So you can choose the volume. So the current price of XRP is 2.4. So for me, let's say I want to get in alert when the price of XRP goes to just $2. So after you set the price like this now, so how frequently you want to receive the alert? If you tap on this option now, there is different option: only once a day, and always. So you can choose the one that suit your needs. For me, I'll go with this once a day or only once. After you choose this one, tap on this create button. So from there, the alert will be created for you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.